Hi, I'm Lisa Beers, owner of a boutique web design studio specializing in custom websites and blogs. You can visit me on the web at beersdesign.com. This video is about the WordPress dashboard. You'll be learning the basics of the dashboard and what's available to you on that initial screen when you log into WordPress. Each of my training videos are designed for novice users and are broken down into small, simple segments. Let's get started. Here I've logged into WordPress, and this is a fairly brand new installation of WordPress that I created for the training videos. I have uploaded the theme that actually powers my site at beersdesign.com just to show some of the features and functionality that's a little bit more expanded than the default theme that you normally get with WordPress. And I imported some kind of dummy content from some development sites that I use when I'm designing custom blog themes and websites for clients. So that's where there's some content in here. But as you can see at a glance, you're going to see how many posts, how many pages, categories, and tags that you have created in your WordPress blog or site. It'll show you the theme you're using and the version of WordPress. It'll show recent comments. There's Quick Press, which will allow you to very quickly create a new post. And there's drafts. If you've written some drafts but not published them, that way if you're working on something and you have to stop, you can save it as a draft and then go back and work on it later, which is very convenient. WordPress development blog, they love to tell you all their news. It'll show you some incoming links. Mine doesn't show any because this is a brand new installation, and I also have it set to private. There's also some news about plugins and some other latest news. If you want to configure this screen, you can come up to Screen Options, and you can choose what's going on. I really don't want blogplay.com things. I don't really want to read about the WordPress development blog and the other news. So I'm going to change it. So now I have, let's see, I think I'm going to get rid of the plugins. I really don't need that. Okay, so now that's gone. If I wanted to make this one column, then I could do it this way. So you can really customize all the things that you're doing here. You can drag things around. All I'm doing is clicking and dragging. Didn't want to go up there. Let's see, here we go. And doesn't want to drag to my third column. But you can see that it's fairly easy to rearrange things here in the dashboard. Okay, so you can customize it however you prefer. Another feature that you'll notice on the dashboard, there's a little arrow here. If you click it, it will minimize the sidebar to icons. If you click it again, it will maximize it. There are several headings, and as you mouse over the headings, you'll notice a small arrow appears on most of them. All you need to do is click the small arrow, and it will expand your menu for each of these different areas. So if you're working with posts and you want to edit or add new, handle your tags or categories, then you would use this expanded menu. If you were working with pages, then you can see your options here. There are lots of options, and we will cover some of them in the basic WordPress training videos that I'm creating. But this gives you a very good idea of the various functionality of the dashboard page, how you can customize it, and how to access your full menus in your sidebar.